Watch out, huh?
Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be explaining why carbureted bikes still make a lot of sense, especially for hardcore off-roading and especially if water is involved in your off-roading process. Do watch the video ahead.
Left.
So as you can see, the bike is completely submerged in water. The only three places where water is entered is the air filter, carburetor and the exhaust. The Xpulse is a well-built and well-designed bike by Hero, hence no water has actually entered the fuel tank. Now with reference to the exhaust, lift the front wheel up and the water in the exhaust gets drained out to a large extent. Carburetor has a screw at the bottom, you unscrew it, all the water accumulated in the carburetor gets drained out. Now comes the air filter. The air filter was removed, the water was squeezed out. Once the carburetor was functional, in the next 2 minutes the engine started and the heat of the exhaust helped dry the air filter. The air filter was placed back in the air filter box and within 20 minutes the bike was ready to go. With reference to fuel injected bikes, now if this happened to a fuel injected bike and the fuel injector did get damaged, you'd have no option but to push the bike. And let's consider the worst case scenario. If this was a Benelli 502X, you would have to push a massive mammoth 230 kg bike in slippery up and down slope areas of the mountain, which would be next to impossible. And obviously the expense of fixing a Benelli would be an absolute different headache that you'd have to undergo in the near future. So this is why these mechanically simple bikes do make sense. Yes, it may not have a slipper clutch, it may not be as powerful as a KTM 390 on highways, but in these complete off-roading oriented scenarios, Xpulse does make a lot of sense. It's like comparing an analog watch with a digital watch. Obviously both of them have their advantages and disadvantages, but there are places where you just prefer pure simple mechanics over complicated but more refined engines. So this is my view regarding the same. If you did like the video, please do subscribe, share. I look forward for hearing your comments and I look forward for seeing you in my next video. Thank you.